Do you know you can make a trending photo dump with only using 3 effects? Now, you might say, isn't that impossible? But the more effects doesn't mean better results. So without further ado, let me show you. So the first thing that you're gonna do is, of course, load into your project and load in your photos. And of course, your song. Now you can add beats to your song, so you can line up your clips. And after you add the beats and line your clips up, then we can start applying effects. Okay, so step 1 of this process, and the very first effect that we will be using is keyframes. So you're going to add a keyframe at the beginning of your clip and one at the end. Then at the end keyframe, you're going to zoom in your clip a little bit, and then you're going to go to graph and use flow 2. And you're going to apply that to all of your clips. Now, once you have that, let's add our second effect. So just head over to effects, and we will be adding, you can go to nightclub. We are going to be adding our shake effect. If I can find it.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
There it is. You're going to shrink the shake effect down to its littlest possible size. And then you can go to adjustments and bring the speed down to 10 around that area and intensity around 20. And then you're going to add it at the beginning of each clip like so. See how cool that is already? And finally, for our third effect, we will be using Oblique Blur. Add that to your project and shorten the blur effect so it's halfway your clip, basically, like so. Then add a keyframe at the beginning of the blur and also one at the at the end. Then at the end keyframe, make the blur 0% and the one at the beginning 100%. So then it looks like this. Then duplicate that and add it to the rest of your clips. And voila! That's how you can make a photo dump look amazing with only 3 effects. Now, of course, you can add some filters, or you can add a few other finishing touches just to polish up the video, but you're basically done. I just added 4K. I mean, how cool is that? Plus, all the effects that I used are not pro. So if you're pro or not pro on CapCut, you can do this. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and comment if you have any questions. And as always, stay creative.